Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about the channel. So let's get right to it. Hey everybody, my name is Robert, aka The Tall Man, and today we are going to talk about our channel update. It's our birthday. We've been around for 1 month. We're 1 month old now. Woo! When we first started, we set a goal for ourselves that we wanted to hit 100 subscribers in our first month. Now, I know that is a tall order for what we do, right? We're not personalities. We don't vlog daily, and we're not building a house and any of that fun stuff. We do RV reviews, and we do tips and tricks, and of course, all the fun stuff that happens on our way, like that video I just tagged up there. You should watch that. That's a doozy. So, for getting 100 subscribers in our first month, we thought that to be a huge goal. So, where did we end up? 94. We interrupt your normally scheduled video to bring you this breaking news. We have hit 103 subscribers. Now back to your regular programming. The biggest victory though, we have over 15,000 views. 15,000 views on our videos in 1 month. And we put up, like I said, I had 48-ish videos. Do you remember the count?
That sounds about right.
48! We put up 48 videos. And in 48 videos, we've had over 15,000 views in a brand new channel. So, for all you subscribers out there, the people that have been with us, the new people, we thank you so much. We're here for you. We really are. And we can't thank you guys enough, right? For those who are finding us for the first time, do us a favor. Hit the like button. Smash that like button. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button too. Help us hit that goal, because we got the next goal is 1,000. All right? So guys, we appreciate you being along for the ride. Leave us a comment, say hello, let us know where you're from. Until we talk again, be safe.